Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your account number, the phone linked to the account, and a secure device. Next, register if you haven't, either at a branch or by requesting activation via SMS. This generates temporary credentials. Once done, open the official UBA Internet Banking site, confirm the SSL lock and exact domain name, and enter your username and temporary password. You will be prompted to set a new password and choose security questions. Do that now to secure your access. Once logged in, change the temporary password immediately to a strong, unique passphrase and enable two-factor authentication if available. This prevents unauthorized access. Then, explore the dashboard. Check accounts, transfers, bills, cards, and settings so you know where tasks live. To set up transfers, add beneficiaries or external accounts, enter details, confirm via SMS or token codes, and set daily transfer limits for safety. Make sure to save beneficiary nicknames to speed future payments, and monitor to complete a transaction, pick the source account, enter the exact amount and beneficiary, then review any fees before confirming with your PIN or OTP. After finishing, log out and close the browser. On public devices, clear cache and avoid public Wi-Fi. Use trusted networks only. If something goes wrong, first verify the OTP SMS, your network, and browser cookies, then check transaction status and history. If unresolved, contact UBA support giving the transaction ID, timestamp, and error message so they can trace and resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.